So after my one-day van build, thought it was time to just stealthy around the Gold Coast. So I spent the next 4 months hanging on the Goldie, stealth camping around. I had some nice secret spots, which I'll link in the description below for those that are hanging out. And yeah, enjoyed the time, enjoyed the space, and the Goldie is a ripping spot to trundle around, particularly when you're stuck in town with COVID. Well, not with COVID, for COVID. So yeah, unfortunately or fortunately, I was in Queensland when COVID hit. So I spent the next few years hanging here. It's a hard life, but someone's got to do it. Great mates, stealthing around the Goldie. Enjoy. Yeah, Lincoln. What are we doing? So this is one of my secret little spots. It's not really that secret. Bathers bar, obviously right at the point. And look at this little girl. So they just make a nice little bar. And it's just there. Van life on the Goldie. Come on. Oh yeah, good to see that. There might be a flood underneath. Ooh. Literally, there's a flood. So look outside, yeah, my phone is fading away. Fade away too far from the top. Thank you. Sometimes it's just a little windy on the beach. But look at the breakfast view. Some shots to Orange.
I have fear and loathing in Las Vegas. Oh, yeah.